Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to open camera settings Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to open camera settings Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To open camera settings, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Go to Devices. This is already in the Devices menu. Scroll down to the Video menu. Now in the Video menu there is an Open Camera Settings menu. And tap. Now the camera settings will appear in the upper right corner. Here there are several camera settings on Microsoft Teams. So that's it, tutorial how to open camera settings Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.